And there's one parked on the pavement. And there's one parked on the pavement. Look at that, it's the crap parking champion of Dulwich again. Oh, she just got parked there in the middle of the road. Yes. There's two of them there, parked on the pavement. He's actually going to park there. He could have parked there, he could have parked there, but the twat's going to park in the middle of the road. Fucking retard. Oh, that's a clever bit of parking, look at that. Marvellous work, well done mate. This fucking knobhead. What an absolute fucking bellend, parking in the cycle lane. And the usual crap parking from these scum at Elm House. Well, that is a fascinating bit of parking. And look, parking space right there. Park straight there across the junction. That is astonishing. What were you thinking, you idiot? Oh great, there's another one joined it. Look at that, parking right there. And this idiot prefers to park on the pavement. And there we have some crap parking. Look at that. What a ridiculous piece of parking. And the usual crap parking outside Elm House. And this lot again as usual. Bloody hell. A nice big parking space there, and a badly parked van there. And we have some crap parking. See, could have parked right there, but parks in the middle of the road. Motorbike parked on the pavement there. And there once again, we have another prat who's parked in the cycle lane. Why do they do these things? Little chav with a child's moustache playing with his phone. Ah. What a marvellous bit of parking. Got a nice big parking space there, but feel free to park in the middle of the road if you prefer. And there's one part of the footpath there. Oh, for fuck's sake, why do these idiots do this? You're blocking the cycle lane, you fucking wanker. here we have one parked on the footpath. There's a parking space right there, but prefers to park on the footpath. And there we have some crap parking. What a plonker. And there we have some crap parking right in the middle of the road. Typical white van. There we go, Echo Oscar 14 Lima Hotel X-Ray. Another bit of crap parking right in front of the cycle lane. And there we have some crap parking right next to a parking space. There we have some more crap parking.